Hi, in this video today I would like to show you how to work with if-else statement in Python. Okay, so now let's get started. I will open Visual Studio Code, and then I will create a new file, name it if-else statement.py. Okay, so here I will, in this example today, I will enter the value for two numbers. And then I will use the if and else statement to do the comparison between that two those numbers. Okay, so here I have a number 1 equal input, enter number 1. Okay, value, copy it for number 2. And then I will compare the number 1 with number 2. We use some the logical condition here. I have a if number 1 is greater than number 2. So I will print out the message. Okay, I have a number 1 is 0 greater than number 2 is 1. Dot format. I have number 1, number 2. Okay, something like this. And then I will have the else if the number 1 equal number 2. So I will print out the message, same here. Number 1 is equal number 1, number 2 2e, number 2e. Okay, and then the last one I will use the else, print it out. So number 1 is less than number 2. Okay, so now here I will comment at the top, pass the value for both number from user. Okay, I run this for testing. So here I enter the value for number 1, for example is 2, do it 3, enter here. So here it will display the number 1 is 2 and less than number 2 is 3 here. So this case in else. Okay, so here I will enter it again, clear this one and run it again. I will have number 1 is 20 and number 2 is 1. So number 1 is 20 greater than number 2 is 1. The case 1. Okay, run this again, enter the value is 10 for number 1, 10 for number 2. Number 1 is 10 equal number 2 is 10. Okay, so the code is working fine. Okay, so I think that's all for today, and after you finish this video, you know how to use the if and else statement in Python to handle the code and the logic in the shortcode. Okay, I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching and bye bye. See you guys in the next video.